Welcome to a recipe for lentil and soy protein in Botswana. Here we can see all the ingredients, which are half a cup of lentils, half a potato, 1 tomato, 1 leek, half an onion, 1 cup of soy protein, soaked with half a cup of hot water with spices for around 10 minutes, and 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. First, we cook the lentils with 1 cup of water around half an hour. We cut the potato into small pieces. We cut the onion, the leek, and the tomato. After the water boiled for 15 minutes, we can add the potato. We start to fry the onion into a frying pan. We add the leek into the boiling water as well, and the soy protein together with the onion. We let it cook for around 10 minutes until the soya is dry. That's how it looks. We add the tomato and let it cook for a couple of moments. That's it. Once everything is well cooked, we can serve the plates and add some sesame seeds. This is a recipe for 2 people, so we can serve 2 plates. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.